like it? You might be wondering how I made it. Let me show you. I used a small trick with an audio loop. Made a few takes, matched the actual tempo, and added them to a track. Then I used the new pads feature in Giglad. Right now, pads only work with MIDI tracks, but if Giglad allows adding different audio loops in the future, it will be even more amazing. This was just a small experiment. I hope you enjoyed it.